Hey friends, if you wish to fix package could not be registered on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. See, here's the thing. Let's say that the app is ShareX. First of all, go to the app settings page and then scroll down, click on terminate, select repair, let it repair itself. Wait till you get the tick mark here. Click on reset and then on reset now and wait till you get the tick mark. Okay. If this helps, well and good. If not, perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.